Hello everybody, you got the Wolfman here at Thunder Valley CB Shop, the Mud Duck Hut. Look what I just got in. We got some new Connex 3300 high power radios in with the blue LEDs right there. Alright, these babies are going to go for $325 plus the conversion. Peak tune line is another $50, so they're $375. Now our Connex 3400s actually went on sale today, so they dropped by $20, so they're $300 plus the conversion, peak tune and line, so they're $350 plus tax out the door. All right, and these babies are nice. Look, they got echo, talkback, low and high power. Put on a little bit of echo there. Audio, hello, here's your echo. Audio, yeah, that's on low power. Let's put her back up on high. Audio. All right, yeah, these are nice radios. All right folks, thank y'all for watching. Stay safe and God bless.